of my real early videos, I talked about keeping your tools clean and organized. And this ladder over here definitely falls into that category. We have it outside here. Beautiful day out, as you can see. Carolina blue skies. Loving it. Just loving all this out here, right? Anywho, this ladder, been a great ladder by the way, has been accumulating all sorts of gunk and debris on it over the years. Most of it recently has been joint compound. As you can see, it's sticking up all around here. It's gotten everywhere, and it's gotten onto the treads of the ladder also, and that's a problem because once it gets in these treads and it starts to accumulate, when you start stepping on it, it becomes a smooth surface. So with this building up, these treads become very slippery, and you can see it's kind of built up on all this here. And I've had a few instances where it's been a little bit slippery as I've been standing on top of the ladder. On top of that, look at the top of this thing, just filled with gunk and so forth. And I can't really put like a can of paint or anything in there because it's just uneven, because of all the joint compound and everything in there. All of this is all gunked up. And then it's just dusty also, so when I move it around or put it down, dust flies everywhere when I lay it down or whatever. So we are going to take that machine over there, our trusty, dusty power sprayer, and we're going to spray that baby down and let it dry overnight, and hopefully get a nice clean looking ladder out of it so it can continue its journey on this home remodeling project of the bonus room. So let's hook this baby up. I also found my tripod over here, and so I'll be able to do some in front of camera stuff, and we'll get this started. Hey, so we've got everything set up. Got my power sprayer gun here. Got the unit hooked up over there. It's hooked up to the hose. It's on. I'm gonna go turn it on, and we're gonna wash this baby behind us. So check it out. So I've actually got the sprayer on that does a little swirly thing. So I'm gonna switch out the knobs here, or the tips rather, and get the one that's just a power sprayer. So we'll be right back. Hey, so I've got the red tip on here, which is just a solid stream out. It's gonna come out real quick. I'm gonna use that initially on this, and then I'm gonna put a white tip on here, which fans out a little more, but still give me a lot of pressure, so check it out. Switching out the tip. Now we have a nice clean ladder. Dry it off, and we'll be ready for the next round. So until next time, peace out.